Type the alphabet. Okay, go. B. B as in, look for the B there. Find the B. There. Oh. Okay. C. Look for the C. Here, you look here only like that. Here only. Here, oh, 1, 2, 3. You look there. What's that? Oh. D. Yes, you look there, huh? Dito sa buong Metro Manila. Kaya lang makikipag-coordinate muna ako kasi po in respect where? Sa mga undersecretary. There, look there, oh. D. E. There. F. Near the D. G. G near the F. H. Very good. Near the G. Look. I.
Sino po ang DILG official na nakatoka sa Baguio City and Davao, for example?
Look. Try nga this one, try. Try. What letter is that? You kunwari this one. Ah, that's wrong. Press the backspace. Yes, one only, one. Oops. Oh, see, erase na. Again, look for I. I there, oh. I is there, oh. J. Near the H. Okay. K. Near the J. L. Near the K. M. Down below J. Below J. J down. There, oh. M. N. Nice. N. Near the M. Okay. O. Oh, di ba? I told you na the O near the I. Near the I. There, oh. Yeah. Okay. O. I said O. O. Yeah, you see, huh? P. Q. There, oh. R.
Okay.
R.
Ito ang kagandahan nga ho ng
R.
Kasi parang sa ibang mga lugar, malawak ang yung lungsod
S.
o bayan, ang tauhan mo, limitado lamang. Para di ba
Where's
bigyan
the
sila
S?
ng chance, no? Na mai-improve yung kanila pong ranking.
Near the A,
o
near the
kanila
A.
pong grado, and then magtuloy-tuloy.
Oh,
Tandaan
see?
niyo po, tuloy-tuloy
T.
na hindi pagkatapos ng 3 months,
Yes,
iiwan
T.
na lang at babalik ulit. Para ho talagang continuous po ito. Ito programa
Pero,
ito, Yusef.
remember that, huh? U. Yes, where's the U? Near the Y. Near the Y. No? You erase that. Press the backspace. Okay, U. There's the U. Oh, near the Y, I said. V. V as in? V. Violin. Okay, V. Where's the V? Okay. W. Yes. Near the Q. Oh, near the Q. Where's the Q? There, oh, there's W. Remember that, huh? X. X. Oh, look, it will go up. Press the arrow up. Press the arrow up. You can see. Ah, some more, some more. Oh, see? There na. Oh, you go down. Press the arrow down. Yes. Okay, some more. Okay, oh. Type X. X. Where's the X? Y. Near the U. Look. You try. Okay. Zebra. Z. Z. There's a Z, okay? Okay, remember that, okay? That done? Look here. Cool? Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're working there?
Kryptonian crystal. You know something about it? Kryptonian crystals are unlike anything on Earth. With it, crystallize the oceans and start a new ice age.
You type the alphabet.
Kryptonite? Now, give it to me. And I won't hurt you again.
Not like that. One finger only, not plenty. Do like this one, like that, huh? Like that. Okay. Write your name.
Superhero girls.
A.